Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on DOOGEE Tab E3 Pro. So first, check the cable and the charger for damage and compatibility with your device. Then clean the charging port that is right here on one of the sides. You can clean it with non-metallic tools. Remember to don't use any metallic tools. So use like a Q-tip, compressed air, something like that. Then test your device with another charger and outlet, or you can test your outlet with another device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.